So now I'm going to do the 3S run, stock electronics for the Maxx version 2. This is on 3S with 2746 gearing. So let's see what we can pull here. I don't think it's going to be very fast. The tires are very squirly, so that's something that's kind of difficult to control using the SkyRC performance analyzer. So on the first gen with the 4S, I did hit 65 plus, but like I said, these tires are just very difficult to control. So let's go ahead and track, start. And then see what 3S. I don't think it's gonna be too crazy. Still balloons like crazy, but I hit full throttle already, so that's a good speed run, or good check. So I think that's gonna be the fastest I can get on this battery. Still squirrely on 3S, very squirrely, but that's full throttle. Definitely a lot slower. So I'm guessing it's like maybe 45, maybe not even. So let's see what we got here. Okay, there's the phone. We're gonna hit stop and read. So that's 47 miles an hour, and that's on 3S with 2746 gearing. Like I said, I could only get 62 with a 4S, but it's extremely squirrely and very difficult to control. So there's that. Again, Maxx version 2 on 3S with 2746 gearing. Let me make one more run. And somebody's coming, so I'll have to wait. Okay, here we go. Already at full throttle. Yeah, that's gonna be the max speed. And the question is, will it wheelie on 3S with 2746 gearing? Let's find out. Nope, barely. Oh, I guess it will. Oh yeah, she'll wheelie still. All right. Check our temperatures as well. So there's that. If you can see, hit stop, read. So yeah, 47 seems to be the max speed with a 3S 2746 gearing. ESC is and motor are staying quite cool. So this is in Fahrenheit. Motor is 118 degrees Fahrenheit. ESC is at 121 Fahrenheit. Batteries at 11.8. So there's that. So 47 is the max I could get out of a 3S.